Numbers alone don't sell, they overwhelm. Look at this plain table crammed with stats. Monthly revenue, user growth, costs. Visitors glance and bounce, missing the story. But with WP Table Manager, turn that data into eye-catching charts in seconds, guiding decisions and boosting engagement. Watch the transformation. Select the rows, click Chart, and boom, bars rise, lines trend, pies slice insights instantly. No exports, no design tools, just live visuals that update with your table. Perfect for dashboards, reports, or blogs, this feature makes complex data simple and persuasive. Let's build your first chart step by step. Let's recap WP Table Manager basics and set up chart-ready tables, step by step, so your numbers are primed for visuals. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WP Table Manager, then click on the All Tables. If you're new, click Add New. But this time, I'll use my table to demonstrate. My table here holds months, revenue, users, costs, and profits, neatly organized in rows and columns. Click any cell, say January revenue, and type a new value like 13,000. It autosaves instantly. No refresh needed. I can either input number or text inside the data cell. For dynamic data, add a formulas by click a profit cell. Type equals B2, E2, hit enter, then drag the fill handle down to auto-calculate the column. This keeps charts accurate and live updating. For more formulas, if you don't remember all of them, just hover your mouse over here and they will show you a list of existing formulas, as well as the explanation, so you can grasp it. There are various other features such as changing font size or style to create a more impactful look, or altering cell color to highlight specific data needing attention. You can also use HTML Edit for advanced cell data modifications. Once in HTML Edit, you have more options to customize your data, and you can insert shortcodes or URL links too. Not to mention tons of other variations, from formatting to import options available in the upper taskbar. But for now, these are enough to make your own data table. If you want a detailed look at other features, I will gladly make another video to cover those parts and guide you on using it to full capacity. Your table data is structured. Now let's create a chart from rows B2 to E11, covering revenue, users, costs, and profit over months. In the editor, select the range. Click B2, hold Shift, drag to E11. This grabs your numeric series. Head to the toolbar and click the chart icon. Watch the magic unfold. WP Table Manager offers 6 chart types, each suited for different insights. First, bar, vertical or horizontal columns perfect for comparisons, like revenue versus costs side by side. Line, connects points with trends over time, ideal for growth like users month to month. Pie, slices a total into percentages, great for profit breakdown in 1 month. Select a single row for this. Radar, spiderweb view for multi-axis comparisons, showing strengths across categories. Area, filled lines to emphasize volume changes, stacking series like cumulative revenue. Finally, doughnut, a pie with a hole, cleaner for fewer slices with labels inside. Pick bar for our demo. It rises instantly, labeling axes from your headers. Charts pull data live, so edit a cell and the visual updates. No recreation needed. This variety lets you match the chart to your story, engaging visitors with clear visuals. Now that your bar chart is up to date, click it to open the editor panel on the right. Here's where you make it your own. Update the x-axis to pull data from specific columns you need. You can increase or decrease the number of columns right here. You can also pick a column to serve as the base value for your x-axis range. And if you enable this x-axis custom label, input your own name for the axis. If you leave it on default, it simply takes the value from the data cell in that column back in your table. Grab the color picker for a series to make the visual more engaging. With the custom colors map, pick any color you want or input a specific color code. Next is the legend text. It's narrative text you see here, acting as an explanation about the chart's data. My text is still default, so it pulls from the table headers. But I can customize these so others read the chart easier and understand what it represents. And when you click on the legend text here, it toggles exclude mode for the chart like this. This may not seem impressive with a simple chart like mine, but if your chart has a lot of elements, Simply toggling like this helps a lot when working on it. Your chart is customized and ready. Now let's drop it straight onto an Elementor page. Open your dashboard, head to Pages, pick or create one, and click Edit with Elementor to launch the builder. In the widget panel, search for WP Table Manager chart, then drag it right onto your section. See it snap in place. You've got two easy paths. Hit Create New to build a fresh chart on the spot, selecting data ranges and types right here. Or choose from existing charts, like our tuned bar from earlier, and it loads with all your colors, labels, and tooltips intact. Tweak width for full-page dashboards, or add padding for clean spacing. Hit Update, preview the page, and there it is, responsive, interactive, pulling live from your table. Change a number in the editor, refresh, and the chart updates automatically. This flexibility means dashboards for clients, reports for blogs, or stats for landing pages, all without recreating visuals. You've crafted a compelling pricing table with WP Table Manager, from intuitive spreadsheet editing and one-click charts to seamless Elementor embedding, all pulling live data without design tools. Picture your site driving decisions as tables update in real time, responsive across devices, and interactive for users, turning data into conversions effortlessly. The plugin costs $49 a year for unlimited sites, unlocking everything we covered, plus a wealth of features like advanced cell formatting for bold styles and borders, full synchronization with Excel, Google Sheets, chart generation in various types and range with live previews, responsive modes for mobile, import-export for CSV or Excel with style preservation, and plugin compatibility with Elementor, Gutenberg, and more. Head to the site to grab it and build tables that inspire action. Like this video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let's keep turning numbers into narratives.